Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Neteller, found at www.neteller.com. Neteller is an online payment system that allows you to transfer money electronically, much like similar services such as PayPal or Skrill. It offers a convenient way to send and receive funds globally, making it popular for online shopping, trading, and other digital transactions. One of the main features of Neteller is its prepaid MasterCard, which allows you to access your funds directly from ATMs or use it for purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted. This can be particularly useful for managing finances online or when traveling internationally. Security is a significant concern for any online payment platform, and Neteller employs several measures to protect user accounts. These include two-factor authentication, fraud monitoring, and secure encryption technology. Neteller also emphasizes compliance with regulatory standards to ensure the safety and security of user funds. Setting up an account with Neteller is generally a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and email address. Verification procedures may be required, depending on your location and the type of transactions you intend to perform. This often involves providing proof of identity and address. Neteller offers various funding options for your account, such as bank transfers, credit-debit cards, and other online payment methods. The specific options available may vary depending on your geographical location. Fees are an essential consideration when using any online payment platform, and Neteller is no exception. They have a fee schedule that outlines charges for various transactions, such as deposits, withdrawals, and currency conversions. It's advisable to familiarize yourself with these fees before using the service. In conclusion, Neteller provides a versatile platform for managing and transferring money online. Its prepaid card option offers added flexibility, while its security features aim to protect user funds. However, it's crucial to understand the associated fees and verify the service's availability and suitability for your specific needs and location. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information.